2017 Yamaha FZ-10 cold start. Got some cleaner burning off of the exhaust from yesterday's wiping. The bike comes with a lot of extras. There's a lot of woodcraft parts, rear sets, we got engine protection on both sides, we got full Graves titanium exhaust, woodcraft frame sliders, woodcraft clutch lever and brake lever protection, as well as Rizoma bar ends, R1 master cylinder. We got a tail tidy. These right here are for a bracket for givey bags, solid case bags, which will be included with the motorcycle. Again, we can see the woodcraft rear sets. We can see a quick shifter OEM from Yamaha. That was an option on the 2017. Got the woodcraft engine protection, again, frame sliders, ASV clutch lever, woodcraft bar ends. These are adjustable, they will slide in and out, and they can also be raised or lowered. In this case, only lowered by about an inch. We got a comfort seat. Stock seat will come with the motorcycle as well. The bike is not in the perfect condition. It does have some blemishes. We've got some rash right here. We've got rash right over here as well. We've got some hit points right here from screws from another bracket that used to sit on top of here. The clutch lever did come in this condition more or less. It was shaved just a bit to make it look a tad bit better. There's also some scratches on the swing arm from screws, from brackets. Got sintered H-pads. Got an EvoTech protection for cooling systems. Currently has Michelin Power Cup 2s with about 2 track days on it and maybe 200 miles. Mechanically, the bike is in excellent condition.